Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW guys 5 Series such as E60 E61 guys, and you're trying to find where your thermostat is located. Stay with us and we'll explain that guys. We'll demonstrate on 6-cylinder engine, N52, N53 and N54 engine, so if you have any of those the video will be super helpful. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop guys here is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, that way we can keep providing these free videos. Now, if you need to buy new thermostat, coolant, any parts to use for your BMW 6 Series, we'll have the link shared in the description of the video below. Also guys, this is our main channel that we have helped more than 69 million people. It's called Auto Repair guys. Very helpful information is there guys, please check it out. Information that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Please subscribe guys. Now, with the front end completely removed out of this BMW, we can demonstrate, okay, if you have the 6-cylinder engine, where your thermostat is located. On the M54 earlier version E60 E61 6-cylinder engine, it used to be okay kind of like right here, so it was super easy to find. But on this engine guys, okay, without removing the front end apart, I couldn't show you where that thermostat is located with a great detail. And that's what your thermostat looks like. Okay, you can see it has 4 hoses that connect, 1 wire connector and 2 bolts that it attaches to the water pump. So if you know guys where your water pump is located, okay, it is right here. This is electric water pump on your BMW. You don't have a mechanical pump. And right next to it is your thermostat guys. Okay, this device right here, that black device, you have 4 hoses that connect. In order to replace it, you will need to drain the cooling system. We have the video on the channel that explains how to do that. Also guys, what do you need to do? I don't know if it's possible to do it without removing the radiators and all that stuff, unless you're super good and you've done that quite a few times. But in our case guys, okay, we removed the radiators and everything else on the front, so we can show you with a great detail, okay, where it's located and how we'll be replacing. The complete video replacement is coming very soon on the channel, and it will be uploaded, as I said, on Auto Repair guys, so please guys, check it out. Now, very important to refill your system with the BMW coolant guys, BMW coolant, because otherwise if you don't use the approved coolant by BMW, you can guys cause damage to the radiator hoses. They'll get soft, they will stretch, your O-rings can start leaking, you can damage your electric water pump and your thermostat even as well. So that could be catastrophic. Number 2, super important to bleed your cooling system the correct way. Otherwise, if you don't do that, you can overheat your engine. We have a video how to bleed the cooling system on a BMW, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.